Hello and welcome to Longevity Insights. Today we're diving into an emerging and fascinating biohacking procedure that's been making waves: extracorporeal blood oxygenation and ozonation, or EBO2. Some people call it an oil change for your blood. But is it the real deal or just another health trend? Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss an episode. We're always exploring simple ways to help you live healthier and longer lives. Now here's Christian to explain how it all works.
Thanks, Adam. When I first heard about EBO2, I was curious but also skeptical. The idea of taking your blood out, cleaning it, and putting it back in sounds like something from a sci-fi movie. However, as I learned more, I realized why so many people are interested. EBO2 stands for Extracorporeal Blood Oxygenation and Ozonation. That's a mouthful, but here's the simple version. It's a treatment in which blood is taken out of the body, cleaned, supercharged with oxygen and ozone, and then put back in. That's why most people refer to this as an oil change for your blood. It's like hemodialysis, the treatment used for people with kidney problems. But EBO2 has its unique twist. Here's how the 90-minute procedure works. 1. Comprehensive filtration. First, blood is drawn from one arm and passed through a special filter. This filter removes things your body doesn't need, like bad fats, cholesterol, heavy metals, toxins, and waste from damaged cells. 2. Ozonation. The cleaned blood is mixed with medical-grade ozone. Ozone is a supercharged form of oxygen. It helps kill harmful bacteria and viruses, reduces inflammation, and gives the blood a fresh oxygen boost. 3. Ultraviolet blood irradiation, UBI. The blood passes through a UV light. This step helps stimulate the immune system and targets any remaining germs or toxins. After all that, your newly cleaned and oxygen-rich blood is returned to your body, looking bright red and, in theory, much healthier. The science and potential benefits. Dr. Louis Yu first developed EBO2 to help people with heart problems without surgery. Over time, people started using it for more general health benefits, like lowering bad cholesterol and fats, getting rid of heavy metals and toxins, reducing chronic inflammation, helping with autoimmune conditions when the body attacks itself. I mean, who wouldn't want a simple way to boost energy, reduce inflammation, and maybe even slow aging? It holds promise, but there's a long road ahead before we fully understand its benefits and risks. Some people who've tried EBO2 say they feel more energetic, less achy, and recover faster after workouts. But here's the thing. Cleansing blood isn't a new idea. It's done in hospitals for conditions like sepsis, but the combination of filtering, ozonation, and UV treatment in EBO2 is still being studied.
Thanks, Christian. It's fascinating. The idea of cleaning and supercharging your blood is intriguing, but like many emerging treatments, EBO2 still has a lot of questions surrounding it. A 2015 study explored whether cleaning certain age-related substances from the blood could help people live healthier, longer lives. The results of animal studies were promising, but we're still waiting for solid proof in humans. EBO2 is an exciting but still experimental biohacking tool. It holds promise, but there's a long road ahead before we fully understand its benefits and risks. Would you consider it if you could have more information? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in to Longevity Insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss an episode. We'll see you next time. The information provided in this video is a compilation of various sources and has been condensed for ease of understanding. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen or treatment.